Welcome to this unique 12-acre country retreat in South Carolina, tucked away on a quiet, crepe-myrtle-lined drive and defined by real water features from the start. The property includes a well-stocked pond, additional water views, and a custom bridge walkway that winds along the pond and leads to your own private island. Wildlife is a daily presence, and the land is qualified Flex 1 zoned, offering flexibility for horses, agricultural use, or future possibilities, all while remaining just minutes from Volvo's manufacturing campus and convenient to I-26. The layout includes 4 bedrooms total, 2 on each level, along with a generous bonus or media room that adds flexibility for work, guests, or recreation. Outside, the property is well equipped with an oversized 2-car attached garage and a 30 by 40 detached 4-car garage with a half bath, ideal for vehicles, equipment, or a workshop. A family-sized gazebo provides another outdoor gathering space, while fishing, walking the grounds, or enjoying the water features completes the experience. This property delivers privacy, usable acreage, water features, and location convenience, an ideal setup for an equestrian estate or private country sanctuary.